If you have done 3 years diploma in electrical, electronics and communication, any of these branches, then this video is for you. Let's see what all you can do to join Merchant Navy. So one option is directly go for the ETO course. Only selected companies are there जो कि आपको लेती हैं. They will take your online test and they might select you. We will talk about this later. Second is go for lateral entry into second year of BTech in electrical electronics. Not everybody can afford that fees, but this is a better way to recommend कि आपके पास BTech की डिग्री आ गई and then you are going for your ETO course from the top notch shipping companies. I'll be sharing why. Last, which I do not recommend, is that you can go for GP rating course, crew level, entry level. तो ये तो बिल्कुल ही ignore है. These are the two options that you have got. If you have done 3 year diploma, not the 2 year I'm talking about. 2 year में option आते नहीं, सिर्फ यही option आता है, that is GP rating. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Direct ETO course with the challenges with companies Anglo, MSC, Fleet, they require BTech diploma holders, and a lot of companies are asking for that. Some of the companies which I cannot name because they do not, which are good companies, they say we need ECE guys, electronics and communication engineering guys itself. So diploma holders solution is Maersk, SCI, Synergy, Acceptsphere, diploma in electrical electronics. It should be completed. यही कुछ कंपनीज है जो लेती हैं, तो लिमिटेशन इज देयर. बट अगर आप बीटेक, इफ यू आर अनेबल टू डू द बीटेक इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, यू कैन नॉट गो फॉर सेकंड ईयर लेटरल एंट्री, यू कैन नॉट अफोर्ड दैट, और घर में पैसे कमाने, यू वांट टू डू इट एएसएपी, देन दिस इज सॉल्यूशन. प्रिपेयर हार्ड, वी विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन कैसे. इसमें बस एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा, द एलिजिबिलिटी कैन चेंज फास्ट. इमीडिएटली जॉइन, डाउनलोड मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्टर, go to the ETO section, check your eligibility and see where you stand. Okay, because मुझे नहीं पता when are you watching this video, but the app is being updated and upgraded every single day. Lateral entry BTech is, this is the officer route. Second year में go for BTech electrical directly, complete the BTech, go for the ETO course, join as an officer. Then you will be eligible for all top companies like Anglo, MSC, Fleet, only if you get their required BTech placement in the final year. Copy it. So जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने बीटेक कर लिया, but you have to get a desired percentage over there as well. जीपी रेटिंग क्रू कोई चांस नहीं. अगर आपने 3 years का बीटेक इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स करा हुआ है, कुछ भी करा हुआ है, I will not prefer that you go for GP rating. Okay guys, एलिजिबिलिटी चेक में डिप्लोमा में, ईटीओ में मिनिमम 60% चाहिए, इंग्लिश में मिनिमम 50%, 9 to 12. एज लिमिट इज मैक्सिमम 35 years, but again a lot of companies have got minimum age criteria. Some have got 28, some have got 27, some have got 32 as well. Rank is you become an officer. Other is again a GP rating. I will not talk about it because मैं चाहता ही नहीं कि अगर आप एलिजिबल है ईटीओ में डिप्लोमा के बाद भी जाने के लिए, should go for the GP rating course. Okay, because this is your future. You might start after ETO course as a trainee ETO with a salary of $507, but as soon as you become an ETO, your salary will become $3,000, then $3,500, 4 it can go to $5,000 per month. And if you become in future, you become a chief ETO on cruise ships or a chief or a ETO on LNG ships, your salary in good companies can go up to even $15,000 per month, which is $7,500 every month when you're working and when you're not working. So 3 months on, 3 months off. So which is the future guys. Okay, so all in all I want to say information is the key. Merchant Navy Start app download कीजिए, सारी information यहाँ पर है. Don't forget that you have got the ETO course details, the knowledge counter, college fee structures, job vacancy alert, even the latest updates of form filling, everything out here. 1 lakh plus downloads. If you want to prepare, ideally I would have preferred offline coaching, but it is not available anywhere in the country. SMED Marine Academy wanted to start, but we could not get the desired students. Presently it is the ETO Aspirant Excellence package that you have got. Awesome content. 100 of students have utilized it, have got selected. आप फ्री ट्रायल वीडियोस जरूर देखिए, लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड देन इन्वेस्ट. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. टेक केयर.